Honorable Principal, Sister Prerna, respected Sister Perpetual, Sister Manisha, Sister Salome, and all members of my St. Mary's family. A very good afternoon to each one of you. This morning is doubly special to me for the simple reason of sharing this day with Sister Prerna. I am completely overwhelmed with everything that has happened this morning. Thanks a lot for putting up such a beautiful program that really made my day. My connection with St. Mary's has been a long and interesting one. From the day of taking one of the biggest decisions of my professional life and joining St. Mary's as a substitute teacher, till standing here and addressing all of you today. I now realize 25 years have passed. Interestingly, in my journey of serving St. Mary's as a teacher, I have also been a student of St. Mary's. Each day here has been a learning experience for me. I find myself responsible to acknowledge one and all who helped me to grow not only as a teacher but as a human being. In the last 25 years, I got a chance to work under an amazing management team of this institution. Sister Cicely, Sister Perpetual, Sister Mercy, Sister Teza, Sister Lalita, and so many others. Each one of them have been wonderful in their own unique way. I am fortunate to have few of them again with me today in my journey. In all these years, St. Mary's family has a major role to play for inculcating qualities of sincerity, punctuality, planning, and management. It has defined me as an individual. I would be failing in my duty if I do not express my gratitude today to all my colleagues, seniors and juniors. A special mention to Maya Ma'am, who has been a friend, philosopher and guide. Most of the senior clan is enjoying their retired lives now. But like they say, there is no age for learning. I was lucky to get a chance to work with the new generation. Each one of you is special and I have learned a lot from all of you. Thank you for that. Who has been an integral part of my life in St. Mary's. Especially Fateh Singh Bhaiya, he is always there for a call. Today, I miss Christy. He always used to tell me कि आपकी जुबली के बाद मेरी भी जुबली होगी. A small little prayer for him. May his soul rest in peace. My address would be incomplete if I do not acknowledge my family for all their support and help that enabled me to reach this milestone of 25 years. On a very personal note, St. Mary's also holds a special place in my heart. It is because of this institution and its values my kids have reached where they are. And I am speaking this on their behalf and their conviction. As a parent, I am thankful to St. Mary's and its staff for supporting me in shaping my kids into good human beings. Last 25 years of my life has seen situations and people in all their good and bad forms. The only entity that has stood with me besides my family is St. Mary's, and I can't thank it enough for being there. Once again, a big thank you to all of you. I wish many more years of success and growth to St. Mary's. Let the tradition of quality quality and accolades continue. Thank you and God bless you all.